अखंड मंडलाकारं व्यासनय श्री गुरुदेव गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Most honorable principal sir, learned teachers and loving students, a very warm morning to all of you. We are gathering here to celebrate birth anniversary of second vice president, first vice president and second president of independent India. Before moving ahead, I would like to express my heartiest gratitude towards my head of the institutions, Dr. Subhash Chandra, under the guideline of which the program is going to be organized and moving ahead successfully. Just Sir has given this remarkable speech in front of all of us, and I thank you again, sir. Whatever gratitude you have paid towards the teacher community of this DAV family, I express on behalf of my teacher community a lot of thanks again and again. We will try our level best under your guideline to make this institution at the highest height in future. Sir, it is such a great occasion for which we have gathered here, cannot be expressed in limited words. But the day is important from both the sides. I have already shared by our honorable principal sir from the teacher part and the student part. Some of the activities or incidents from this class I want to share to my beloved students and respected teachers also. The person for which we all have assembled here has done a very remarkable job during his tenure, during his lifetime. Some of the incidents that took place during his presidency, I want to share from here. In 1962, when some of his students moved in front of his office and urged him to celebrate his birth anniversary, the person very politely expresses his view and giving the guidelines to his disciple that instead of celebrating my special birthday, you all are suggested to celebrate my birthday as a teacher community birthday, which are giving their immense effort for saving the society, for saving the nation. And since then, we are having here to celebrate his birthday as a teacher's day. This is a simple history to celebrate in India why we are going to celebrate Teachers' Day. My dear students, whatever you have prepared today and given the honor to the teacher community of this DAV family, we all are highly obliged to the students of class 10 today. They all are very sincere and have given their best to celebrate this occasion. We, on behalf of the DAV family teachers, expresses my heartiest thanks to 10th students to move for such a wonderful occasion. On the same day, same time, I would like to express one of the incidents also that was done in the honor of President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. when the person was moving from Mysore University to Mysore railway station, he was on the way on foot. Some of the students inspected the person moving on foot. It is quite imaginary, out of expectation, that in the honor of that president, then and there the students prepared a well-decorated carriage and made him sit to the honorable president and made reachable up to the railway station. This was the dedication, respect of the students towards the president named as Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Great academician, holding the chair for nearly 10 years, and during his holding the chair as a president of Rajya Sabha, when he was vice president, he took the salary monthly 1,000, where the salary was decided 10,000. The rest of the remaining amount he deposited in the welfare of the society, nation, by depositing in the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. This was the thought, this was the expression given by the same person for which we have assembled here. Nothing much more I can say, because such a person cannot be limited in limited words. I would like to express again my thanks to Panthers and my heartiest gratitude once more to my principal for having such a wonderful, organizing such wonderful occasion and giving us the opportunity to say something on this historic day. Thank you so much.